Okay, you're asked to find the vertex of this quadratic function. And there's a negative out front. So you can do it by completing the square, or you can do it by the vertex formula. Anyway, let's complete the square first. So if you're going to complete the square with this one, you have to factor out anything that's in front of the x squared. So I'll factor -1 out. That'll leave me with x squared plus 4x. And then we leave the -1 outside. We don't factor the -1 out of that. We just factor it out of this. We'll leave the -1 there. Okay, and then complete the square. So 4 divided by 2 squared is 4. So I add 4 here. Okay, and then I have this -1. But this plus 4 here is actually a -4 because of that -1 out front. So to compensate for this -4, I put a +4 out here. Okay, so I'm going to have -1. I'll factor this. It'd be x plus 2 all squared. -1 plus 4 is a +3. So the vertex will be -2 and +3. Let's do it using the vertex formula too. So to get the x coordinate, you go minus b over 2a, or minus something over 2 times something. B, and I'm going right back to here. A is -1, b is -4. So it's -4 over 2 times -1. So this will be +4 over -2. If I divide those, I get -2. Same. Then to get the y coordinate, you find the value of the function when you plug in a -2. So it'll be negative x squared minus 4 times something -1. And I'm plugging in this -2. Okay, -2 squared is 4 times -1, that'd be -4. This would be a +8 minus 1. So -4 plus 8 is 4. 4 take away 1 is 3. So the vertex doing it this way is also -2 and 3. Okay, hopefully that helps you out. If you complete the square, this thing here is often the thing that people mix up on.